Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the fingerprint ID. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter Fingerprint Management, and as you can see, this is actually the very first step of adding the fingerprint to this device. So here we have to add an additional screen lock, of course if you do not have one currently set. If you've got one, then you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. What's more, here we've got listed scenarios in which the fingerprint will have to be used. So for example, if the device will be restarted and if the lock screen password is not used for 3 days. Quite strange, but okay. So as you can see, we can choose the PIN or password. I will pick the password. And right now we have to, or maybe PIN, it won't be that complicated. So let me pick the PIN and just enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, make your a little bit more complicated than mine. So let's tap on continue. We have to confirm it, so retype it, tap on OK. And as you can see, right now we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So we can use it for unlocking the screen, access save, or access uplock. I will pick the unlock screen, and as you can see, we are immediately transferred to the step in which we have to add the fingerprint. So here we've got the animation, the instruction that we have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located in the back of this device. So let me put my finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So just after feeling the vibration, release the finger, take the finger away and put it again. And why? Oh, what happened? Let's come back here. Okay, let's enter the PIN and try to add new fingerprint. So we have to try to do it again, because I have no idea what happened. So let's try to enroll the fingerprint edges. Okay. We have to press the edge of our finger right now. And as you can see, we just successfully enrolled our finger. We just successfully added it. The second time. So if you want to, you can rename it right now. If not, just tap on OK. And as you can see, this is the fingerprint list. As you can see, we can add up to 5 fingerprints. You can add new one just by tapping on this option. I don't want to do that. Oh my god, what happened? Okay, let's enter the fingerprint management. Here you've got the fingerprint recognition. So if you will have plenty of fingerprints added, then you can put your finger on the sensor and your device will tell you which fingerprint it is. This is the fingerprint we added right now, so we can rename it here or delete it if you want to. But let me actually focus. Let me check if it is even working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device has been immediately unblocked, so it means that we fortunately successfully added our fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.